Let's dive in. Let's see what's going on with the XRB. We have this nice small right triangle. So we consider this one like a right triangle because we talk about these points resistance and those. So resistance is number 1, 2, 3, and support number 1, 2, 3. So on this week, so we fake out, okay? We open, we close below, and the following day we close above. So guys, we are on the nice spot, and let's see if you can pump rally towards $2 and 60. So is it going to happen? Let's assume if this is going to happen, guys. Let's see the types of chart here. We have this chart on market down here. So we have this pie came down here. But what's the problem with this chart here? On this chart or indicators is we need to be, you see this line here over down here, supposed to be above here for more upside. That's a reason number 1 for it can be that pie. So you see this pie came in around here. You see it was very weak pie, like it moved some small percentage. The second one here very little. The third year even it didn't move, and then the finally this one which we are looking. So what does this mean, guys? So we need to see this iris came above here. When you see on past movement for XRP, you see that I like to refer. So like this one, the RSI once it came above 0, you see this breakout. So this is we say from here to here it is 120%. Okay, that's what. And once it came below here, even though it came, it pushed some small and came below, and that's where I told you pair for XRP started. So another thing which is I'm going to show you right now here. So right now we are looking at the volume. So what happened on XRP here? I think I told you they sold the token around 57 million token. They follow with this another crash which is around 28 to 29 million. But now why the stock pushed up? Because we had a lot of buyers here around this here. That's I'm telling you, like it's going to take, and you see this guy is a lot of buyers, 111 million, 264, 150 million buyers between 1.77 and below. So these are a billion of the money, okay? And if you break time frame like weekly, that's why we are heading on pair. We are already on pair. We are below, you see, on this histograms is on negative right now, and it doesn't look good. It's not like here, you see here it was a sell, but whenever you signal pi, that's what I'm telling you, from 0.15 that range to $3, and it make already something like a double top over here, which is insane. All right, so this on weekly now. We just started. This is the first week today, and if this one will go to break out, so is it going to make head and shoulders? No, I'm not sure, but it's very interesting. So long term is very bullish. So we are talking some few months for bearish, maybe right now 2026, early 26, but end of 2026 this thing is moving. So I talk about this candle and I want to show you. So we find out when we have long candle here, either will be pressure or shifting momentum. Okay, so like for XRP, it was a bullish candle which is send the stock all the way to parabolic. Okay, and another thing guys, look like come to test this trend line, then to break up that. Okay, that's why it's very important. So immediately that's the time to. And how can you know this will be huge? Okay, like here you draw this one from here, send all the way around break, and once this one will break, will be sent the same. You see this one this over here, it's going to send the same percentage, and that will be around, let me try to, let me see if I can come over here. This is what I need. So take the top and take the bottom. All right, you see this one, this one for XRP right now. So the highest for XRP will be $14, and obvious we have a lot of supports here which is going to come 165, 118. For me I was waiting 125, and all other side here is buying. So we still on bullish market until we break this one on monthly. Yeah, we close on monthly, so we need like 2 months guys. XRP is long term bullish, and assume if this next month, like this thing will be starting on a January around here. So we just tell you we are going to moon.